Welcome to the Sun Princess. Today we're going to show you some of the entertainment that you can watch, some of the entertainment that you can be part of, and give you a few cruise tips along the way. Here in the Piazza, you can start your day off with a Zumba class. The Zumba was extremely popular. As you can see here, people on all three decks of the Piazza are joining in on the workout. Even Robin from Sea Lake Journeys is going to get in on the action.
3, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Live music and dancing is a common thing here in the Piazza on the Sun Princess. I'm going to show you how this works. Hello, Dalia. It recognizes me. I want to know where Robin from Sea Lake Journeys is. I hit shipmates. There she is. She's on deck 9, port side. That particular location is our cabin. So I know where she is. She's in the cabin. I'll go get her. And when you're done looking at everything you're looking for, be sure to log out. Touch the photo to log out. Ask you, are you sure you want to log out? Boom, there you go. The live shows on the ship were nothing short of spectacular. The Piazza could often be very crowded, but it was still worth standing there to watch because they were so good. What's this, y'all?
Look at there.
That little slat there to the side, guys, that's where you got to put your hand over to get soap to come out of the exact same faucet the water's coming out of. You can join in the game of Pong against the officers of the ship. Okay, y'all. We've come to check out the sphere thing. Robin from Sea Lake Journeys is going to show us. Oh, you're just a shadow. I gotta go the other way.
Yeah.
I gotta be on that side. What's good about this right here?
Does it say tap to explore?
Tap to explore.
That was it.
Tap to explore. Oh! What did you do?
We had to actually order on the phone because it was cheaper to do it on the phone. It was horrible. Horrible service. First night at the casino.
Before supper each night, Platinum, Elites, and Suites can meet at the Cascade Bar.
Okay, Sea Lake Journey crew, we are in the Cascade Bar. It's on deck 17 forward. We're here for the Platinum, Elite, and Suite pre-dinner extravaganza that we have every night. And this is our view from where we're sitting.
That's the first night we made it down here, up here.
Yeah. Yes, this has been here every night, and it's our first time. That's a beautiful thing there.
There was some really great food up here to eat before you go to dinner, but I didn't want to ruin my appetite, so I only had a few tastes of some of the things.
Hey, Sea Lake Journey crew. See that balcony right there? That's our balcony from our cabin. Sure is. I'd show it to you from this angle. This is a part of the sphere thing. Pretty neat, ain't it? Okay, so what's the other thing you was telling me about the wheelchair stuff?
Oh, so the hallway. So if you have a handicapped room, typically your room is towards the end of the hallway. Well, let me tell you what, the Sun Princess finally got this right about wheelchairs and walkers trying to maneuver through the hallway, okay? Because the hallway's narrow. When there's a cleaning cart or a vacuum cleaner or a bucket or something, we struggle getting past it, right? Well, for the handicapped rooms, because they're towards the end of the hallway, the hallway just got a little bit bigger. Just a little bit bigger, so now you can turn to get into your room. And if there is a cart there, you can get past it. So that's really nice. They've actually figured out that not just the room needs to be bigger, but the hallway access for us needs to be a little bit bigger.
How about that?
And you can show that right now, but I still got it on. Okay, so a normal hallway is only about this wide, right? But on the Sun Princess, your handicap rooms are towards the end of the hallway because the hall is wider for you to be able to move your wheelchair into the room. So see how wide it is right here? Now, look how wide it is right here. A major, major difference. So you've got this much width versus this much width that was on that other wall, which gives the wheelchair plenty of room to maneuver, turn around, get into your door, all of that.
The dance competition they had here on the Sun Princess was fantastic. We got to see some really good talent and a lot of fun too. Final two couples are up here for the dance-off to see who will be the grand champion winner of tonight's dance competition. And it just got hilarious. Chaos ensued, and yet the 3 judges were still somehow able to pick a winner out of this. See if you can pick your favorite. Which one do you think won?
Yes, the one 449. Will be revealed right after this. All right, it's couple number 2. Round of applause for couple number 1. Our judges here.
Next is the Love and Marriage Show, and we were one of the 3 couples chosen to participate. And guess what? We won! The cruise director couldn't believe I was doing a selfie during the show. We had a great time on the Sun Princess, and we think you will too. Hopefully you learned a few tips along in this video. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks!
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member. Or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.